Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Poco M6 5G smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. As you can see, wrong pin entered. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Now slide up to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds. Press and hold it. And now do this process again. Press and hold the volume up and power key together for a few seconds and release. And you can see it will send you in MIUI recovery 5.2. Now the volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now here go to wipe data and confirm, and you can see back to main menu and wipe all data. Now go to wipe all data and confirm, and you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Now go to confirm and confirm it, and you can see it is okay. Data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu now and reboot system and reboot to system. And guys, after hard reset might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might ask for password, pin or pattern. Use Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard reset Poco M6 5G smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query latest video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for the latest updates.